Hey girl, welcome back to another wig video. My name is Diamond Mine in case you are new here. So today's video is being sponsored by aliunicehair. This is their 13x4 honey blonde highlight straight lace frontal wig. So we're going to get into it. We're going to talk about it and all that good stuff. So because this wig is on the honey blonde side, I did not have to worry about doing any type of bleaching or plucking of the knots. And first off, let me just say this. I am in love with the highlights and the color on this wig. But I will be honest, when it comes to like parting and trying to get the wig to look like scalp or look natural, it is a little bit of a challenge to do because of the roots of the wig being like a honey blonde color. So anyways, we're going to get into it. We're going to talk about it and I'm going to style this wig. So before I do anything, I'm going to press out the hairline and find out exactly what I'm working with. Because again, I did not have to pluck this wig or do like anything special to the hairline like I normally would have to do with a regular wig that comes in like a dark brown or black color. So yeah, I'm just pressing it out and finding out what I'm working with. So I'm looking over the details and I don't have any information on what type of lace this wig is on, but it's definitely not transparent or like a clear lace, but it is more of an upgraded lace from your regular lace. Now I do wish that this was on a HD or a clear lace because of the wig being a honey blonde color. The lace just would have blended a lot more into my skin, but with the help of the Got to Be Glued hairspray, the lace did blend into the skin without a problem. There is certain areas on the lace where it is a little too light, which I do fix in the video with going in with some makeup and just basically tinting the lace. It doesn't necessarily melt into my skin, but it does give a really nice look considering this is a honey blonde color. Okay, so I wanted to slow down the clip just so you guys can really get into this hair texture. As you guys can see, the hair is super full in its original texture, and then when I straighten the hair is still full, but it's more of a flat iron look. So either way, whether you decide to straighten this hair or wear it in its original texture, both looks is a go, honey. And I love that this honey blonde wig has not been over processed to the point where this hair can be worn in its original texture as well as adding heat to the hair. This color is absolutely beautiful, and when I apply heat to this hair, I notice that the color becomes a lot more vibrant, and those beautiful blonde highlights just really start to show throughout this wig. This is a really nice wig, especially now that I look back on it in the video. Girl, yes, this is a winner. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I love this wig. I love the density, the color. The lace actually grew on me. You guys know I kind of struggled a little bit at the beginning, but baby, look at that. Nice. So I'll make sure I have all the details below on this wig because it's definitely a wig you want to get your hands on. This wig is so pretty and so full. Love it. You guys are going to see this wig up and down my Instagram real soon. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.